Do the Mario!
Of course. Jeez. Okay. Hello, Sons of Mine-archy here.
What's up, everyone? Sons of Mine-archy, glad you could join us again.
Another Minecraft video.
It's me, Popz, and next to me, of course, as always, HB, bringing you color commentary of Minecraft play. Hey, 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 who are we? If you don't know,
Sons of Mine-archy.
only father and son gameplay, game review, brought to you by
Why are you
ourselves
stuck up there?
and yourselves. Because
And
without you, we're not making this stuff.
Yeah.
In honor of that, I'm going to go ahead and... What is going on?
Oh no, I set that up. So today, you know that redstone book at Marshall's? I learned some stuff. So
Okay.
I went to Marshall's and I learned some stuff. See if I can do it correctly.
You don't say that very often in your life.
One.
That might be the only
two,
time you ever say
three,
that in your
four,
life.
five. 1, 2, 3, 4,
But that was pretty funny.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I just threw my one door away, but who cares? The point of all this is to do this. Or not. Not do that. That's what I meant. Not do that.
Okay, so that's lighting that up. And why aren't you lighting up?
Huh?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Huh?
I don't light up.
Yeah, you do. Watch this, look at. So if I turn that one on, that turns off. And if I break this torch, then that turns on. It's kind of weird. Oh, I know why. Power signal. Power signal. Redstone torch. Stone. Why are you lighting up? I'm afraid that there's no. Why did you do that?
Celebration of them joining us on another Minecraft adventure. I like to celebrate with a little bit of TNT.
Okay, that's not working. I have to figure this out. Yeah, it works. No, don't.
I'm gonna come down.
Oh, look it.
Look, I'm skydiving.
Okay, what's this? Bane of arthropods? I'd rather set you on fire. Okay. I want to try something. And I hope it's good. So here's a block of redstone, and here's a piston. A block of redstone powers a piston. Boop, 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 and boop. Da 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 da. And boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop.
These guys dress all funky. Look at them. With this texture pack, I forgot what kind of texture pack this is.
I think this is medieval.
Medieval texture pack. It's funny. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's stuck. Well, what do you want to do? You want to dance with me? Da, 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 da.
So maybe some of you have heard the new
Hey, look,
update
my
that's
friend
come
Creeper.
out.
Let me hit you once. Are you gonna blow up now?
Work.
Look, he turned around. He don't want to look at me.
Get him. It's a bow with flame. So what are we doing today?
He's not getting mad.
Okay, I'm gonna do something.
Oh, he's
now.
nice. Can I train a creeper?
Of course not. Only if we have
Oh,
mods.
I'm inside of the creeper.
It's kind of weird. See what else I can do.
I am the creeper right now.
Yeah.
Hi. Look. Look. That's the creeper's eyes. He's trapped.
Okay.
Look, he's not moving. He refuses to move.
You know what?
Just leave him alone. Leave my creeper alone. Hi. You're my friend now. We're friends now. Let's go. Come on. Where are we going? Let's play. Now where are you going? You just gonna go and stare at the wall? You're horrible. He didn't want to play. He didn't want to do anything. He didn't even want to blow up. In survival, they blow up like crazy.
Question is, why didn't... Those are heads.
How many chops does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop? 1, 2, 2.
I'm gonna build some real redstone. It's not enough, isn't it? Okay, I think I'm gonna put my trap chest somewhere else. 1, 2. Trapped chest. Goes over
This looks like
here.
This looks like a job for me.
Hope nobody goes.
What's the biggest hole anyone's ever blown up or dug in Minecraft? Anyone know the answer to that?
Oh, who knows?
Remember back in those old days, like 6 months ago, when everybody was trying to build the fanciest, looking thing they could on Minecraft? They'd build like cruise ships and airplanes. Remember that?
Yeah.
People build like crazy houses and with libraries and swimming pools and all kinds of stuff. What happened to those days? Now all everyone wants to do is just blow things up.
That's not true.
Yeah, when's the last time you see anybody build? The last great builder was Stampy Long Nose. Who knows Stampy? He was the last of his kind. Too bad he's retired.
He's not retired.
He's retired, as far as I'm concerned. He's now playing all these other games. Remember when he only played Minecraft?
Yeah, he's still does. You've never seen.
I have.
Oh yeah, you've seen his world.
Hello! Which dog should I bring with me today on an adventure? Yeah, like we said before, nobody can build stuff like that guy could, huh? His build, his homes, the city he made, it's crazy. I don't even think Notch can build stuff like that. Yeah, I said it. I don't think Notch can build something like that. Get me, Minecraft government.
Who am I right now?
Huh?
Oh yeah, in the new update for the PE version, the Pocket Edition version, they added in this whole new big thing that they could let you change your skin. They could it's just a big update. 11.1. Of course, he doesn't know.
Yeah, sure I know. Minecraft won't be the same since Microsoft bought it. Right? It might have more stuff to it, but it's not going to have the same underground. It's kind of like
Cake.
it was the black market architecture site.
Oh, pick
Forget
a car.
AutoCAD. I'll build your house using Minecraft blocks.
Ha ha ha, I'm so evil. What should I build? Let's see. I made this big video game thing which he messed up.
No. I wouldn't say I messed it up. I would just say more of I added to it.
Yeah. Yeah. What was I gonna build? I forgot. Can't read my mind, can you?
You know what that makes me think of whenever people will talk about Minecraft? You know, adults always say, why do people like to play this game? This looks horrible. This is worse than games from the 80s. No, it's not. Do you remember the games from the 80s? Those games are horrible. However, since we're on that topic, we will be reviewing those games soon. There are like collection packs, you know, like thousands of games fit on one CD. So, you know, you can play them on the Xbox 360. And you know what? Quite honestly, it's hard to find one game that you can actually play for more than 5 minutes. They're all pretty horrible in terms of playability. Oh. What are you doing over there?
My house.
Whenever anyone's really quiet in Minecraft, that's when you know they're building something that you should blow up.
Oh, don't you dare blow this up. This is gonna be my room.
That's the other thing. When someone says, don't you dare blow it up, then you know you have to blow it up. That's kind of the rule of Minecraft, right? Anything worth blowing up?
Oh, you wanna play like that?
What?
Hey, is that big TNT house you're making? Let me blow it up.
No. I'm not doing anything. I didn't blow anything up of yours. Did I? I'm just telling people, hey, don't do it yet. Don't do it. Or else I'm gonna blow TNT everywhere.
Hey, look at that thing. Why don't you pull it?
What?
That thing.
What is that?
I don't know. Press on it.
Oh, if I press on it, does that turn on the lights?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. No, don't.
Oh,
It blows
okay.
the TNT.
No, don't. What? You lied to me.
No.
I'm blowing up everything in your world.
I didn't lie to you. I said no. You said turn the lights on.
I know it's a lever. You don't think I know it's a lever? Come on now. Oh, look. It's a nice house.
We built that together. Don't you dare blow that up.
Where are you right now?
What
is this right here?
Remember?
Oh no, is this the world with the joust and everything? This is the world with the joust.
Of course it is.
This is all we also had our TNT battle.
Of course.
This world carried so much stuff. I just broke something. Pretty sure of it.
No, that was there before. Can you fix that, by the way?
Fix what?
Nothing. I'm gonna make our room, okay?
I don't have any glass.
Then get some. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So this looks like a job for me.
I'm gonna make ours a pretty big house. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I have no idea what I'm doing because I haven't planned it out. So, why don't you come and help me?
Look, there's something on top of the...
Oh yeah, that's what I'm building. Hey, would you mind? See, there's. You're not helping. Stop it! Stop it!
I'm putting windows in there.
Stop it! Throw this away.
I'm trying to put windows in your building.
Okay, you can do that later, okay? Hey, no!
Let me help you.
Stop it! Stop it, really. I'm
Where are
kill
you? Oh my gosh. We're playing Minecraft and you're talking about violence now.
Stop it!
No, I'm
you
just...
like that all day?
What happened?
Tell you.
I'm not gonna blow it up. I'm just trying to fill in the space. Oh, I just happened to be using a TNT block. What's wrong with that?
Get something else.
No, TNT block can be used just like any other block. You could step on it. You could do anything, right?
You can blow it up.
Oh, well, that's only if you blow it up, right? You don't have to blow it up.
Stop it.
Is this water?
Yeah, it's water. Yeah, you know it's water.
What's in here if I hit this? No. I'm just asking.
That's our house. That's our house you're going into.
Hold on. Relax.
Okay, he's not relaxing. How do you name the title? Troll Holden. Troll HB. Don't you?
No, relax.
That's our house.
Oh. Well, cover the hole up. Not that hole. No, you gotta put something underneath first. Okay, wait, hold on. Scoot over. I'm doing something. No, why'd you break that? That's how it was before. Wait, scoot over. Watch, scoot over. Actually, you know what? Can you put glass on the bottom?
Of course not. No, you can't.
What do you mean? Can you have it facing the other way?
Of course not.
Why can't I have?
That's glass. You can't do that. He doesn't know anything about Minecraft. Make your walls. 1, 2, 3. Wait. This could be like our lookout. It's like a pretty view. Whoa. I need torches. You know what? I want to make it a little bit cooler. Sticky piston TNT, wrestle lamp. Oh, wrestle lamp. I need some redstone. Okay. I need a lever. No. Okay. One.
Look.
Destroyed.
What? I was trying to fill it with milk. No, there's like a little pool in there. You know what's cool? Who has a pool like that? The size of only 2 blocks.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Hey, no biting. He's biting me, everyone.
Ah! He's kicking me, everyone.
That's a lie.
Wait. Okay. No.
Hurry up, so I can blow. I can do something with it. You just took away my water, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Don't lie to me.
I'm gonna put some water. I need to do something so we can get into the house. So we can get into this. Fine,
Yeah, I have to break this. You have to break this to get in. See? You have to break this. Now you can get in. Hey, you broke the top off.
We didn't.
Yeah, you did. Purposely did that.
So you can get in.
You purposely did that.
Where are we gonna get in?
You purposely did that.
What's it?
To harm the inhabitants of this great and peaceful world.
Oh yeah, I need repeaters. Duh. I think I put it right here. Okay, it goes here to there. Oh yeah.
What is going on? So this looks like a job.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
What?
See, they can get in.
I don't know what I'm doing, so don't ask.
Oh look, there's a pig. Where's my sword? I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. Here. Look, he's trying to run away from me. Hey, there's a lot of pigs.
Did you let them into the house?
No, I thought they were your pets. Oh, look at me. No, stay on top. Jump down to me. Jump down to me.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh yeah, I forgot. Probably like saying, oh, you can put them on the lamps.
What's over here?
Okay.
It's a door. Hi, piggy. They're nice to have in the house.
Yeah, we should have a pet pig.
Oh, two of them.
We only have like a
There's two
cat,
pigs.
a turtle. We only have a cat and a turtle. Cobalt and Jack. Yeah, look at that. If you want to turn it off, you just need to go boop, boop, boop. Why isn't it working? Who?
Hey, look, my buddy's back. He's trying to blow things up.
I'm just gonna put 3 ticks on everything just in case.
See? We got rid of him for you.
What?
It was a creeper. Look at this creeper. Me and him are friends. Hi, remember me? Remember? We were walking around and you wouldn't do anything for fun. Where you going right now? You're just looking at me. You're acting weird. I'm gonna hit you once. Just so you kind of like, you understand that there are boundaries.
Oh, wow.
Look, they're just looking at me. Look, everything's just looking at me. Let's go do something.
2, 3,
Come on.
4, 5.
Where you going?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Why don't
3,
you blow
4,
up?
5. Yay! Sons! Oh! I need water. I'm gonna make another TNT cannon. Oh, of course I need ender pearls. They're my favorite. Okay, where's water? Maybe I'm gonna burn you. Oh, that's nice. 1, 2.
Mojang's new office is cool. Yeah, it's at Microsoft's office.
Okay. I don't get what it means. Oh. Freeze. Oh, save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3.
I got him.
What? Kid? He was a good boy. A good boy.
You can blow things up. Why are
course
the
he's a
cows in
bad
the middle
boy.
of water? This reminds me of that episode, the TNT challenge. Oh, look, I hit him from long distance. Boom! I got both of them.
Okay, I don't need this anymore since that failed. Okay, so again, what is that? Whoa.
Okay, hit this guy. It's quite a challenging game.
I know, I tried out Enderman once. That didn't work out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, just have it. Oh, got that one.
Oh, I killed him. You see that?
It's mean. Wait, so if you put TNT in there and you go double.
Oh, I got him. Ooh.
Ah! It's scary.
Started a bonfire.
That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I need to do this. 1.
Just in case you forgot, this is Sons of Mine-archy.
Hey.
I know, I forget.
I'm gonna start a bonfire. Come on again. Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm not over there. I just set up some lights. Don't ask me what I'm doing either.
I know, because you don't know.
I am.
You don't know what you're doing.
It's a surprise, okay? Okay, it's a surprise. You have to watch and wait.
I'll just flick this louder.
Stop it!
It's not even gonna do anything. It's not gonna blow anything up, it's in the water.
I'm not ready.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay? Okay, this basically failed, but I'm gonna try it out anyway.
There's the spirit.
Ah! I think that's 15 blocks. Okay, look at this. Watch this. Some of you guys may know what I'm creating.
Most of you, probably not. I'm just kidding.
I just went over the cloud. The only problem is
See? It says hi, HB.
so mean.
What's going on? Let me join you.
Oh, so. No, you don't do it like that. It does it for you. It does it for you, Daddy.
Where?
So you just click that lever and TNT shoots out of those things. I'm not ready yet. There's no
There's
water.
no water.
Okay, I'm gonna place it.
I have a water bucket here.
So this is really hard, okay? So
No,
you
it's
have to
not.
see that middle. You have to go in it, and then you have to go exactly in it. Make sure not to fill those things. No, stand up, middle. Oh, watch this, watch this.
Woo! Alright, you guys, thanks for joining us for another
Wait.
noxious, obnoxious, and all the other oxious is adventure with Sons of Mine-archy, playing Minecraft. We call it nonsensical chaos.
Wee.
Because we're just doing things that don't make sense.
Boom.
But that's what we choose to do in the Minecraft world. And you can too. It's all about creativity and fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, HP is too much in it, so I'll move his mouth and talk for him. Hi, guys. I love you. Anyways, join us for more next time when we review this and other games. Sons of Minearchy. Only father and son game review and gameplay. Tune in next time. Subscribe. Mash that like button. Or mic that lash button. Whatever you want. 3, 2, 1.